all about farm animals. Today we will learn all about the following animals: cows, horses, pigs, sheep, chickens, goats, a baby cow is called a calf. Cows eat grass, alfalfa, clover, and hay. Fun fact: cows can smell things up to 6 miles away. A baby horse is called a foal. Horses eat grass, hay, corn, and oats. They also eat fruits and vegetables. Fun fact: horses sleep standing up. A baby pig is called a piglet. Wild pigs will eat leaves, roots, fruit, and rodents. Fun fact: pigs can't sweat. A baby sheep is called a lamb. Sheep eat mostly grass, plants, and seeds. Fun fact: sheep have rectangular pupils. A baby chicken is called a chick. Chickens eat grass, bugs, fruit, vegetables, and even table scraps. Fun fact: chickens have excellent vision. Chickens can see a broader range of colors than humans, including ultraviolet light. This helps them spot food and predators more easily. A baby goat is called a kid. Goats eat shrubs, trees, hay, and grains. Fun fact: goats do not have front teeth in their upper jaw.